Welcome to the channel. In this video, I will be showing you how to make a tweet on Twitter on all devices. First, open up Twitter. Once on the home page, you will see a white plus symbol surrounded by a blue bubble. You want to click on this. Once you have opened that, you will be taken here. From here, type the tweet which you want to tweet out. Once you have made your statement, you want to click on the tweet button at the top right of the screen. And now my tweet has been posted. To see this, I will now tap on the home button at the bottom left of the screen to refresh my home page. And there it is, my tweet is at the top of the screen. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, comment and subscribe, and I hope to see you again soon.